Hello everyone. We are going to the beach. Did a bye-bye this morning to walk. We just left the house at 5:37 and 77 degrees. I think the sun is up. Hard to tell. The cloud up there has sun at the top. So the chickens are awake.
No, there's a dog in that cottage.
It's okay. But you know what? I wonder if people are up and around today.
They are.
They are?
Yes.
Okay. So this road we're on runs parallel to the beach. The beach would be on our left. This intersection here is the road that runs right to the highway. This is our Judge Larumbe, and our house is down that way. You can turn right down our alley to get to our house. So we just kind of make a half circle here. So even though it's not a holiday, there's not a lot going on. As you can see, the dogs are out, the chickens are out, and the crazy walkers are out. See a guy down there doing something with his bike. Anyway, I'll turn you back on when I see something. There's a turkey up here, and he's showing off his feathers. I'm with that. Morning. That's a big old tom. Look how big that turkey is. Yeah, yeah, he's big here. Ah, what's he? Oh. We're crossing a small bridge. This canal goes to the beach. Not very fresh, unfortunately. Well, for some reason, the dogs like to sit in the middle of the street when they have nothing to do. Here comes another little dog. And there's a bunch of dogs down that way. Yeah, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dogs, 6. It's dog day today, I guess. They're all out and about. There's a bakery. They must just get started because there's not much in the window. Yep, you see them? There's a lot of dogs on this street today. Fortunately, they seem occupied in what they're doing. They're not worried too much about us. There's a lot of trash. And there's some more dogs. I'm with that. Good morning. Not happy, huh?
Did they sleep? They were just there the whole.
We made a turn. We're heading to the beach now. You can see it out there. So are 2 other people, obviously. I don't know what kind of birds these are. There's a funny noise. These are geese. No, they're not. Well, this is the view as we approach. I can't even see because of the reflection. Wow, look at that water, baby. It's flat. That would be nice to go fishing on. And it's not as low tide as it was yesterday. So here we are at the beach, heading the other direction towards the sun. Look at that cloud formation. That's pretty cool. Huh. Look at the boats on the water. Yeah. The water's flat. Huh. I really can't get over how that formation looks out there. It's way out there. I wonder if it's over that way is Bahal. So you can't see it in this, but I can see a couple of hills out there. A couple more dogs. Yeah, wait a second. That's another dog. Poor guy looks like he ain't ate much.
Yes,
So we're coming up to where that Stinky Canal comes out to the water. And it goes from all the way out to there. And it really stinks. It really stinks. Makes me think of The Hobbit and Mordor. How bad Mordor was. Well, I'm gonna try to cross here. Jess went further down. Because one thing you don't want to do is step in whatever smells that bad. Sheesh. So even though it's a nice walk on the beach, there are sections that are not so nice. So we're heading back towards the city of Cebu. We're still on the same way where we're at. So we'll go down here a ways, turn around and cut back up across the houses to get back to the road. After a while, I think we'll go past that abutment thing out there. You can see it. Another dog. That guy looks pretty rough too. People out in the water, swimming or bathing. Not sure what. Somebody built themselves a little, what do you call that thing? Kind of a stand, relaxing. Another dog. That's the way we'll be going back when the time comes. That must be the express boat. Get where he wants to go. We got fishing or shipping boats in the distance. Okay, so we turned around, heading back to the house now. Morning. Another dog. This is kind of a neat view. You can look down the beach. You can see the mountains in the background. The big tall smokestack there is the power plant. Lots of boats. I think those are all container ships that are empty. Maybe some fishing trawlers, I'm not sure. And of course, roosters. There's a dog having fun, scratching his back. Ever have that spot you just couldn't itch? Yeah, these dogs aren't too happy about something. That's the kind of thing that scares Jess. It scares her to death. But usually when they're barking at themselves, they're not going to come after us. They can be ferocious. This road leads to that one we were on this morning. I was heading south, the first road we were on. We'll make a right turn at the intersection there and come up behind the house. Almost done. They are looking at us and barking. Shh. 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 One starts to bark and they all start after you. See where Jess is. I make sure they go after something, they'll go after me first. They just bark a lot of the times. I've heard of bites, but it's never happened to us. And here's our right turn. And down the end of this one, we'll make a left and be almost home. Hello, mein Guten Tag. A little bit. Here's our left turn. And almost home. This is one of my favorite parts of the walk because we're almost home. There's our gate. We are home. What's our time?
32.
Oh, 32. I walked 2 minutes too much. And there's one of our dogs, one of Mom's dogs, friendly dogs.